Welcome, Mattias here from the Bitwig Studio Masterclass. We got some great news today that the full course has now been transcribed, so you can basically activate subtitles and then select basically any type of language, may it be German, French, Japanese, Danish or whatever, you're good to go. The Bitwig Masterclass now contains 29 episodes and there's over 4 hours of tips and tricks on how to work efficiently in Bitwig Studio. In the Masterclass you'll learn the fundamentals of Bitwig Studio and how to work efficiently with the different instrument modulators and devices of Bitwig Studio. Furthermore, you learn how to work efficiently in the arrangement view as well as the clip launching view. And you learn how to set up different macros and control Bitwig with a MIDI controller. Right, and aside from learning the basics of Bitwig Studio, you also learn more advanced features like time stretching, how to work with note operators, and like mastering and sound design with the Bitwig Studio native devices. Right, so interested to learn more about the Bitwig Studio Masterclass, go to store.morningdewmedia.com and you can use my discount code Mattias20 and you will get 20% off the course price. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to ask them in the comments section below. Now you can continue and watch my next episode. And again, don't miss out on my Bitwig Masterclass. See you in the next episode. Bye!